video to document this process of placing the packing in the stuffing box. But before that, removing this junk I put up here in the past out of slight desperation, ignorance. And then next I'm just going to get the diameter of the prop shaft to make certain that I'm using the correct size stuffing that I have, which is 5/16. But yeah, first I'm going to remove all this junk. The other issue is that when this has been spinning, maybe unsurprisingly, this has been spinning too, but the rubber hose that connects the hull lug to the stuffing box, this rubber hose, which is covered in clamps, and I'm going to replace some of these too, it spins, and it's also, it's moved up a little, about half an inch or so. So this thing is spinning with this thing. Now that's probably because right here, I can see it now, it's kind of obvious, there's a hose clamp put on top of stuffing shaft. Well, there you go. This has to go. This hose clamp has to go. And maybe even this one. The point is, this needs to be moved back. And this needs, these one or two need to be taken off so that they're not essentially causing this whole hose to spin with this this stuffing box, or otherwise the whole thing is spinning when it shouldn't because of this junk up here. So that's gotta go first. But this is a clusterfuck. Excuse my French. A real mess. It's not just like a can you be competitive and can you out compete your competitors. It is, what competitor can I become composable with? What other community can my community align with? How is my community composable with their community? Because we are in a state of complete undersaturation of the value creation. Man, it's hilariously bad. Connect to a Yanmar Y30M, I believe. Yanmar 30 horsepower, 3-cylinder, 4-stroke diesel. Yeah, I got enough room down here to work. Plenty of access. I got tools I need, so first step is this must go.